Okay, Brandon, here we go, hon. All right, here's our sentences. You might think that the sun is a planet, but it's not. Let me get my pen. There we go. Okay, so capitalize always the beginning of the sentence. You might think that the sun is the planet. Now, we don't need that to be capitalized. It's lowercase because it's a common noun. Okay, you might think that the sun is a planet, comma, but it's not. If you can replace it's with it is, then it's it apostrophe s. Then you put a period at the end. So let's write this sentence out, okay? You, capital, you might think that the sun is a planet, comma, but it's it apostrophe s. It's not. Okay, there we go. Make sure you put that in mark on it. It's declarative. The sun is a star that is more close to Earth than other stars. So what do? Always capitalize. The sun is a star that is more close. I don't think I like the word more close, so let's change that. That is closer, because sometimes you say, like you say more fun. You don't say funner, so we say more fun, but closer sounds better than more close. The sun is a star that is closer to Earth. We're going to capitalize that Earth because it's a special place than other stars, period. Okay, there you go. It's declarative. Choose the sentence that is punctuated correctly. In the darkness, the other stars look like tiny dots of light. Well, what's missing there? Is there anything missing there? Yep, right there, end mark. It does not have an end mark, so it's not A. There are 8 planets that orbit around the sun. Okay, that one looks pretty good. Don't look directly at the sun for too long or it will hurt your eyes, Rachel said. Well, it came out of Rachel's mouth, so it's going to have quotation marks, right? And it's not there, so that one's out. Because the sun is so close to Earth, it gives us lots of light and heat. Okay, so right here, this is a clause, because the sun is so close to Earth, comma. It gives us lots of light and heat. It's missing a comma, so we're getting rid of that. So there are 8 planets that orbit around the sun. That is our answer. Okay, let's go to the next page. Label the nouns and verbs in the sentence below. Underline the subject once and the predicate twice. The sun heats the earth and gives us light to perform our daily activities. Let's do our nouns first. Person, place, thing, idea. Well, sun, that's a thing. Okay. Heats the earth, that's a place, and gives us light. That's a noun, to perform our daily activities. Activities is a noun. Us is a special one. It's called a pronoun, but it's a type of noun. Okay. The sun heats. Now let's think about this. What is the verb there? What does the sun do? It heats. So that's our verb. It also gives light to perform. Those are all verbs. Okay. Now let's look at this. Underline the subject one. Who or what is the sentence about? The sun. That is the subject of the sentence. What did the subject do? The sun, it heats the earth and gives us light to perform our daily activities. That is your predicate. Okay, what is the proper noun in that sentence? Here's a hint. It's capitalized. Yep, it is earth. That's very, very proper. Okay, what's the plural noun? Means more than one. Well, look at your nouns. Sun, earth, light, and activities. Oh, I see an S on the end of activities. That's right. It's one activity, more than one activities. So it is activities. Now, what type of sentence is this? Well, it ends in a period, so it's not a question, is it? It's not real. Somebody's not really telling you to do something. It's not a command. It's not imperative. It is a statement, which is a declarative sentence. Okay. Now, Brian, I need for you to get out your language packet. Okay. Make sure you have your language packet out. We're going to go to the next page, and we're going to talk about the complete predicate. Tells what a subject is or does. In the sentence, the eagle caught a fish, the predicate is caught a fish. The eagle is your subject. What did the eagle do? It caught a fish. Sometimes there are two predicates joined by and they form a compound predicate. So the wolves howled all night and slept all day. So the wolves did two things. They howled all night and they slept all day. So let's go down and look at this. We're going to reread this passage from Family Traditions, and we're going to underline the compound predicate in the last sentence. Okay, here we go. Storytellers bring the old tales to life. The soft notes of a flute may help tell a story. The firm beat of a drum adds power. People from other cultures can watch and listen. Everyone enjoys the stories and learns about their traditions. Now it says, underline the compound predicate in the last sentence. Well, here's my last sentence here. Everyone enjoys the stories and learns about the traditions. Well, what is my subject there? The subject is everyone. What does everyone do? Well, he enjoys the stories and learns about the traditions. Everyone enjoys the stories, and then everyone learns about the traditions. It's compound predicate. There's two predicates that are joined by the word and. Now this part, you don't have to do. We're crossing that out. Okay? All right.